She is not your type. She belongs to a separate world. If you refuse, the results will be deadly.
I will not do
drunk. Well, it will pay you if you can take off your... Jesus Christ. Just take your fake body, stand there, don't come close to me. Stay there.
Hey, you have to calm down, okay?
Femi, I am trying so hard to be calm about this. Right? You know all the things that have happened to me. Femi, you know. And now this. I mean, if this thing here hadn't gotten drunk, I wouldn't have seen the true person my parents wanted me to marry. Like I said, I am trying so hard to hold myself. I've made my point. Let her get out of this palace.
My please, I sorry. I tell them on time that you will rank me more like this, but they will not listen to me.
Huh? You're still talking? You're sorry. Shut up!
Amobi, take it easy on her now. Take it easy.
Mother, I am so disappointed in you.
Amobi, that's your mom you're talking to like that.
Of course! My mother who wanted to lead me to destruction.
Destruction? You requested for a dark girl. So that's why the whole idea came into my brain.
Oh really? And the same idea told you to paint someone black? Huh? Of all the dark girls in this village, why? Look, I've made my point. You people are just trying to piss me off. I'm trying so hard to be calm about this. I maintain it. Let her leave this palace. Everybody should just leave.
Please now.
Don't place me. Just stay there.
Oh my please, I can't be like this. I'll follow you. Oh my please. Oh. I can't rip this balance.
My prince.
Edochie, how are you doing?
Well, I'm fine today, but you don't sound like you are. What is it again?
Edochie, I've been disappointed by people I thought they had my best interest at heart.
You are beginning to sound more like me.
Edochie, you're actually the only girl I've met that has not disappointed me. You are natural, you're real, you're caring, you just have everything. I want you to be mine.
No, no, my prince, that's not possible. I am not meant to be.
Why do you keep saying this?
Because it's not possible. The day has come. I could see it. The day is here. Amobi.
This is the first time you're calling me by my name.
Get ready and tell no one about this. Tonight your journey to the unknown will start. You are no longer a prince but a young man in search of his destiny.
Obviously, this is not something I can fight. So, I have decided from today to set you free. To marry whenever you want to. Oigo said that he wishes you well. He cares for you and wishes you the best in life.
Papa.
Yes, my daughter.
Why the sudden change of mind? What happened?
I don't know what happened. But Oibo said that I should let you be. And for him to have said that means that he might have encountered something. So I hands off this matter. Because I don't want anything to happen to you or to me. My dear, marry whenever you will. Oh? Yes, want to. Oh, my dear?
You have failed me!
No, my king. I haven't. On the contrary, he's found out the true complexion for Biajulo. He's angry. And I guess he'll get over it pretty soon. But if I may ask, could this little incident cause the increase in the blood in the calabash?
You call it a little incident? There's a Ungu. Go out now and search for your son. Tell me if you are going to find him anywhere around.
What?
The supposed heir to the throne, Anayachi, who happens to be the eye of the gods. But we refuse full participation in this land. Has left to find the future of this land.
No, it won't happen.
He didn't tell us where he was going to.
That wicked, evil, blind girl. I swear with every single one who have fought in this kingdom to dismember her feet from the rest of her body if I ever set my eyes on her.
Only take it easy, we'll find them. We'll find them.
Take what easy? Only you knew the gravity of what your son had done. God! In the absence of that stupid chief guard, Deba, whatever it's called, take charge from now on. Now move your boys all over this kingdom and tell everybody that my son is missing. And I need you to find him right, okay?
Yes.
never knew a place like this still exists. So underdeveloped and wow.
That's one of the things you get to learn when the new courses are
But I want to see that one. Did you see her face? Dark and natural, and she's beautiful. And then her strength. Jesus Christ, I don't know where she got that strength from. Good day.
Good afternoon.
Please. We are strangers. Yeah. We just got into this village. We need to know if we can get a place where we can rent an apartment.
Strangers in our land. Do you treat strangers well in your land?
Of course. In my place, strangers are always welcome and they are treated with so much love and respect.
How do I know for sure?
Why all these questions? If you don't want to help us out, you just say it now. They're asking meaningless questions.
Easy. Please, don't mind her. Huh? Don't mind her. My name is Amobi, and this is Anyachi, my younger sister.
And why is she looking like that?
She's blind.
Oh, I see. I cannot help then.
Oh, wait, Anyachi, wait. Calm down. Take it easy with your temper. Hey, my brother, please. Don't mind her. Huh? She's just a little girl. Please. I'm talking to you now, man to man. We are strangers here. We need help.
Okay. You can stay in my house as long as you want. Until you get a place to stay.
Thank you.
You can sit down. Let me get you water.
Alright.
Getting so tense, and you are losing.
My king, you have to help me. You have to help me find my son.
He is so far away. You cannot find him now.
But I have to. Because of the blood here, this calabash seems to be increasing by the day. I'm getting scared.
There is only one way to stop it now.
No man can afford it. No man can afford it. No man lives forever. 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 We all must give our counsel.
Finally, they have met, and the prophecy has begun. Ezeungo, I foresee danger.
Can't we avert this prophecy? This impending doom or catastrophe about to befall us and need to live forever.
There is only one way out right now.
Which is?
Death! Death! Death!
I don't understand, my king.
Amori has to die!
My son?
Yes! He has to die!
Remember heaven sought would drink your blood. Sure, Fear not the man who takes a life, no, but the one who holds the life of a taker.
Anachi, please. I am begging you in the name of anything you respect and worship. Lie down and sleep, it's late.
See, this is all your fault. Now Amobi is not yet back. Hey, you came now, you are wicked. How heartless can you be? You knew this place was dangerous. You knew it was dangerous out there and you allowed him to go out.
Okay, I am very sorry I allowed him to go out. Tomorrow morning we will go out to search for him. This village is a very little one. I believe nobody will want to hurt a stranger. So please, lie down and sleep.
You should be thankful that the bullet hit his leg, not any other vital part of his body. If not, this story we are saying now would have been a different one. I don't know what you were thinking, Oego. I don't know.
Just look at you. The only thing you know is to eat and grow lean. For months now you've been learning how to aim without achieving it. Now you have shot down a stranger.
Papa, I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. How was I supposed to know that a handsome young man like this would be in that forest?
Oh, you have eyes to see a handsome young man. You are now diverting from the topic we are saying to his looks. You have eyes to see a handsome young man. Stupid girl. Give me this thing, let me do.
What did she say?
Nothing, Papa.
Papa, this is the third time he has called.
Papa mo, pianere maka, iem naga biga.
can never overshadow light. The wicked will invoke the rain, but the consequences as adios. Beware of the wicked rain, you agent of confusion.
Vico, take it easy. You've been crying all day.
So, you expect me not to cry? We've come to the entire village and we haven't seen a movie and you expect me not to cry? If anything happens to a movie, I will not forgive myself.
Nothing will happen to Amobi. I promise you. So stop crying. He'll be back.
Ask me someone about this. Ask me someone. Please, you can move now. Go inside the room. Our bag. There is this zip by the side. You open it. There is another zip inside. When you open it, please. Give me my phone there. I need to talk to someone about this.
Okay, my bag.
Hello, who is this?
Mr. Lancelot, how may I help you? Yes, it is so. Mr. Lancelot, here it's kind of noisy, okay? I can't hear you clearly. Let me go somewhere we can talk at length. Alright.
Here. This place noisy, kwa. Here. Mbano. There is something I don't know that is making me to think that this core is not pure. Core are the pure. Hi. Hiya, who is here?
Anyachi, where are you guys? The palace has been in chaos since the both of you disappeared. What? Missing? I thought you absconded with him. Okay, now you tell me where you are so I will come right away and meet you. Anyachi, talk to me now. Tell me where you are. I want to come. You don't know what I'm going. Anyachi, hello? Hello?
Help you. Sorry. How are you feeling?
I felt a sharp pain when I woke up. Now that I'm looking at your face, I feel nothing anymore. Who are you? What is your name?
My name is Urima. This is my father's house.
Oh. So natural and enormously endowed. How did I get here?
I brought you here. Sorry. Okay. You have to stop talking for now. I need you to rest so you can regain your strength. And what is your name?
I'm Obi. I'm a stranger.
What are you doing in this land? Okay, look, just rest. Let me get you water. I'll be back. Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? So how are you feeling now?
Huh? How I'm feeling? I don't know. I think I feel better. But I'm worried.
Why? Did we do anything to scare you?
No. Not at all.
So why are you worried? What troubles you?
I came into this land with a blind girl, Anyachi.
Blind?
Yes.
Where is she?
That is the problem. I don't know. But when we came in, a guy named Dikeh took us in. And his house it should be somewhere around the forest where you hunt.
There's no need to be worried, Amobi. We'll find her tomorrow.
I just hope so. I just hope she's okay. She wasn't really getting along pretty well with the guy he came in from. I hope she's doing fine where she is.
I'm sure she's fine. Please wash your hands and join us. We're eating before you came.
Don't worry. I've had something. I'm fine. Let me move for you so you can.
No, I'm okay. Just want to make sure that Femi and Amo is
There's something that baffles me.
What?
Why did you and your brother leave your land to come this far? Because so far you've not told me why you're here. And I'm very sure you don't know anybody here.
Kimifna, you don't understand.
You scared me by the day. Each day I asked a simple question. You give me an absurd answer of you won't understand. See, I'm a very nice person for allowing both of you to stay in my house. Each time I ask a question, you tell me you won't understand.
He came here because you ask too much questions now. Must you know everything?
You like making troubles. You like troubles. So troubles. Why?
Kimifna, I do not like trouble, so I don't just like you.
Exactly why I said you like trouble.
And leave me alone now. Let me be. Leave me alone.
You're possessed.
Yes. Kimifna, you are very stupid. You are so stupid.
Me stupid in my house.
Very stupid.
Look at you. Where do you think you're going? Look at her. Look.
You see what
I said? Look at you. I don't even know your way.
May Amadio has sent all the thunders he helped with
I hold your stick. Look at your stick. Hold it.
How do I locate you? No, I don't know the... Fuck! Hey! My airtime.
Where do I go?
Using my...
Yeah! What are you doing?
What's chasing you?
What are you doing in this bush?
Here. Using my phone and calling.
Have you been following me?
Oh, please now, please help me. You know I robbed the place. I robbed the handsome loyalty. Bikono. Here, Colin, I have credit. Colin. Time. There's no time, you know.
Hey. Yeah.
Colin.
Hello? Ayachi? Yes, Where? Which one?
When you get to that tree, you see out there, then pass the truck on before the back, then you see the rest of that place.
Let's go. Yeah. Read the way, read.
I know. Goodbye.
My God, how come there's no trace of these chaps anywhere?
I don't know.
This is unbelievable.
God.
Greetings to you, my king.
Yes, how may I help you?
Femi and Obi are to be found around the palace.
What?
Did I hear you right?
Yes, my king. We've searched everywhere around the palace and there's no trace of them, my king.
Why? Oh God.
Wait a minute. That you couldn't trace them anywhere around?
Yes, my king.
So what can be happening?
I don't see my king. My king.
Honey.
My king.
Honey. Honey.
My
Get
king.
me water. Honey.
How are you feeling?
Huh?
How are you feeling?
I'm just there. Papa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I want to go in.
Yes, let me try.
Having you around.
Yay! Wow, no. Please help me. Help me. Careful.
Sorry. Sorry.
Okay. No. I can't wear that now.
Don't worry.
Give me.
I'll hold it.
Okay. Wait, are you leaving me?
Sorry. Careful. Sorry.
Okay. Thank you.
Are you sure you can walk on these legs?
I don't know. But I think with the help of this stick and your beautiful daughter here, I may be able to get home. Yeah.
Papa, you worry too much. Amobi is a man. He'll get home safely.
Alright. Grandma.
Papa.
Please make sure that your sister doesn't go about shooting down human beings in place of animals.
Yay! Papa. Sure. Even the wind has gotten over that.
Please don't bother her too much. It's okay. She will perfect. She will.
Alright. So where are you heading to now?
Huh? Let me try to see if I can find my way back to my friend's place.
Alright. Emma.
Papa.
Wash your hair for me.
Will, Papa. Papa, let me join them.
Thank you.
I'm gonna be the complaint, so come here with you.
Thank you, Papa.
Bye.
Thank you. Easy. Watch my name.
Ego, you should go back. I don't swear you come with us. Leave me. I'm coming with you.
Be careful,
Okay.
Honey, the doctor said you need a lot of rest right now. Stop thinking, please.
That's exactly what I'm trying to do. But in the interim, please ensure that Amobi and Obiagelu gets married at once.
Honestly, my dear, there's this question I've been wanting to ask you all these years.
And what is that?
Why must he be Obiagelu? Why must she be the one? It will be so impossible to convince him to marry her at this point. Or do you intend to force both of them to the altar?
Oh, shut up, woman! Shut up before I send the gods of war to strike you.
To strike me, your wife?
Now at this point, I want to be left alone.
But yeah,
I said I want to be left alone. Don't you understand?
I don't even know why you keep apologizing for telling me he got lost.
Obiagelu is the last person I want to see right now.
Amobi, I am disappointed. I mean, I thought we had each other's back. You couldn't even utter a word of this to me before leaving the palace?
Femi, I'm sorry. Believe me, I'm very sorry. You know me, I'll never hide anything from you, but I just had to leave that way. At least now you see one of the reasons I didn't tell you. You see? My planes here in this bed.
We really have to do something about that girl. We have to.
Right now, Urima is so mad at me.
And you should go and see her tomorrow. You have to, too.
You guys should just suit yourselves.
Femi.
Eat something up. Since morning you've been this way and it's no longer funny. Men are just so disappointed. He used to talk to me and look into my eyes like he felt something. Rima, he feels something for you. I can feel it. He even renounced the so-called girl in your presence. What more proof do you need to know that this guy truly loves you? My sister? He hasn't said so. And you expect him to say that? In less than 2 days of recovering? Hello? Excuse me, my sister. Go things don't come so easily. Trust me, he will come back for you. Okay, he's just so calm, simple and handsome. Hey! Oh ma, love wants it. I can't believe my only sister is saying this. You're naughty. Papa must hear this. I swear I will tell Papa this, and I believe he will be very happy to hear this. Hey, go inside. Go inside.
You have to understand, my brother. My house is very small. I can't afford to squat 4 people at the same time. How are we going to sleep? Standing?
See, Ikem, I know you have tried. You have really tried. But please, you need to help me. I'm in a very tight corner right now. The 2 people that just came, they can't leave now. Look, I promise you, when this whole thing is over, I will reward you handsomely. Okay? We go on them.
Yeah, take a minute. A minute of talking with my parents.
I'm now told how to stay in my own house.
Omne, don't mind her. Don't mind her, just... And you? Why did you join Femi to this place? What? Oh, Jesus. Why can't you just let me be? Huh?
My plans, I say sorry now. I say sorry. You know I love you. I love you more than anything in my life. Please now, please forgive me, because
see, please, look at my condition. My condition is bad. Just leave me alone, okay? Go back to the palace and pretend, just act like you never saw me. In fact, just go back to wherever you came from. Just let me be, please.
But please, this is like pouring oil on the ground and you want you to pack it again with your hand. It is not working now.
Oh, now this place is already complete. The place is too small for all of us. Please leave.
My plans, what I do to you that is making you not to love me? What I do? Okay, my wickedness.
Oh, you call it wickedness? You connived with my mother to do something heartless to me. And what do you call that one? Huh? Don't you know that's the height of wickedness?
But I saying sorry since. I saying sorry, forgiving me. Please. Okay. Since you are not going to forgiving me, you wanting me to leave. No problem. I will leave. Let me go and get my phone and go and call my Igwe. I will tell him my Igwe to sending his boys to come and carry all of us here.
No, it hasn't gotten to that. Just calm down. Alright, fine, you win. I will do anything you want, just don't call my father. Please.
Avian! My village, Avian!
Oh, don't touch me.
My place, I don't want you to do anything. Don't do anything. All I want you to do for me is love me.
Okay, I will love you. Just don't call my father, please.
Hey, my handsome loyalty. My place.
Oh no, you're hurting me. Don't push me, please.
My place, why are you doing this way? Come, let us go inside and me massaging your leg. Hey. My friends is sunny, yeah.
If it's me, now you give me all to eat. Now, we're going to this game. You want to eat all of it. Until you learn to accept that I'm a champion in this game. I will never, ever let you win. It's not possible.
Okay, so you don't want to recognize the fact that I'm your younger sister, are you?
Younger what?
Shay, this game now, you want to eat all of it. It's your meat, you give me all of it. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's okay now. You want to cheat me, eat all of it. Calm down now, I have to. Where am I starting from now? Because me, I'm confused.
Urima. Urima. Please, please,
wait,
wait, please, I'm dying. Oh, please, wait. Please, we need to talk. I need to talk to you. Please, we need to talk. There is nothing going on between me and that girl, nothing.
And she claims to be your wife. She suddenly appears from nowhere and claims to be your wife.
That is because it is what she wants. But that is not what I want. You heard me. I told her off right in front of you. You heard it.
Amobi, who are you? I am very sure I have not seen you in this village before. And I am so sure I have not ever seen you in that forest. And all of a sudden, you just appear from nowhere. A few days ago when you were recovering, I asked you what you came to this land to do. You said nothing. Amobi, I'm beginning to be uncomfortable with your presence here.
Oh, wait. It hasn't gotten to that. Okay? Fine. I'll tell you who I am. I'll tell you everything. My name is Amobi. I'm a farmer. Yes, I'm a known farmer in my land. The son of a farmer as well. My father calls me a weakling. He doesn't believe I can do anything for myself. He just sees me as, I don't know, he just keeps on talking to me anyhow. And at some point I got suffocated and I was tired of the whole thing. So I decided to come to this land to see if I can start something on my own and be useful. And then my sister Anyachi, my younger sister, she followed me.
You mean the blind girl?
Yes.
I heard that weird girl calling you my prince. What's that?
Don't mind her. That is what she always calls me. Because my father is fond of her. My father wants me to marry her, but that's not what I want. In fact, she was one of the reasons I left my place to come down here. But I am not married to anyone yet. Believe me. Please, look at me. I'm not.
I believe you.
Thank you.
Amobi, you should have at least uttered a word of it to me. To even think you were angry and yet you told me about it. Do you know what I went through in the hands of your parents? Do you know how much they accused me of knowing about your disappearance? To the point that your weird village bride had to trail me all the way to this village.
I know, but you can't leave. Yes, you can't go back to the kingdom. I know my people. Once you get there, they will force you to bring them here. See, Anyachi, the blind girl, is helping me to find the true one.
Anyachi, the blind girl? How ironic.
Listen, it's not all about what you see. At least, not in this case. See, there is, I don't know, there's this thing. It's not something ordinary. And Anyachi has never failed me. She told me, she said I should trust her.
But
thought you had a thing for this Anyachi girl.
Well, yes, but she has proved to me that it wasn't real by bringing me here. Femi, your friend has found the one. I have found a woman that speaks royalty and loyalty. So natural. So pure.
Could it be the dark girl that brought you here the day I arrived?
Yes. She is the one.
Ah! Point is settled. Talk to her. Tell her you are a prince. She will just fall. And then you bring her back home to the village. What you talk?
Oh, no. See, I don't want to rush it. Femi, your friend has dwelt in so many mistakes, and I will do everything possible to prevent this from being another mistake.
So, what do we do now?
Femi, we will remain in this village.
What?
Wait. We will remain here and disguise as farmers, so I can win her heart as a commoner. That is true love.
Amobi, I know you love this girl. I mean, I can feel it. But this whole farmer idea
Femi, I know. Just take it easy. Femi, if you are really a true friend, you will do this for me. Please, just switch off the whole learned act. Humble yourself and help me achieve this. Please.
Sorry.
No, shift the bed.
Sorry. Whoa. What if this doesn't work?
Sorry. Then I'll just give up and marry anybody I see.
Well, come in. We want to go to
Hey! I thank the gods so. Urima, my daughter. For the first time after so many years, wants to behave like a lady. Bend down, farming, instead of shooting arrows.
Papa, it's not what you are thinking. I don't know why you people are making a big deal out of this thing. I'm just going to help Amobi and his friend clear the land they bought for cultivation.
Secondly, for the first time, she is subjecting herself under a man. Today is blessed too.
Papa, I looked at Orima in shop when she pleaded.
I did not plead, Ego. I asked you and you agreed.
Whichever way, but at least you asked me to talk to Amobi on your behalf.
It's alright. One more thing, my daughters. Just one more thing. You have to be very, very careful, because not all that glitters is gold.
Papa, I don't see the need for all this advice, so I'm only helping a friend.
Papa, don't mind Orima. She's just inside.
If I give you slap, you're still talking, eh?
It's okay. So you people can go, but please be careful.
No, Papa.
I will give you slap.
Papa, we will.
Sorry, one. Hey,
What kind of life is this, eh? Look at me looking like a village farmer, all in the name of love? The worst part is, it's not even about me, so what am I doing here? I'm going to stop this stupid disguise. I'm going to stop it. Wanda, I'm sorry. I know how you feel, I'm sorry. Please, just see this as a sacrifice for a true friend. A true friend. I know.
I warned you. I warned you, Ezeungu. But you wouldn't listen. Look at that calabash. What do you say? What do you say?
My king, this can't be happening to me. The calabash is almost filled to the brim.
Because you refused that I hold your son. How come you mortals want to have your cake and keep it?
My king, do something for me. Remember, I've been loyal to you for several years. Now you know that things are getting out of control just because it's not been easy for me. Please do something. Do whatever possible you can to distract him and bring him back home. I am prepared. I am ready to pay any price. Even if it means getting you the heads of 100 virgins, I am ready. My king.
Okay. I will do something about it. Trust me.
Papa,
you're welcome.
Where is Ego? Let her take one of these inside.
You said she will take one of these inside. Where are you going with the other one?
Actually, Papa,
Huh? Talk now.
Eh? Talk.
I want to take one to Amobi's place. You know, none of them is good at something. Papa, you are doing this thing. You know you are not too strong.
You will always deceive me with that phrase. You know you are not strong. But my eyes are strong enough to see that my daughter is having some good things coming her way.
Papa, it's not this thing you are doing, Joe. Please help me cut it.
I will. I don't have any objection. Not objecting, only.
I'm coming. Let me quickly go out.
Take care of yourself.
Papa, this thing, why are you laughing? You know what you're thinking.
Bye bye. Oh, anyway, now.
It's Rima. You are Mobi's younger sister, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I brought this meat for you so that she prepares something nice for you both.
Ah, Orima, you're always very nice to us.
Thank you. So where can I drop it?
Just give it to me.
What?
The blood.
Blood? What blood?
The blood. The power of the tears of Lord prevails everything.
You know about the blood. Who are you?
What are you still doing here? When I got back at noon, I saw you seated at the same spot, staring into the sun. And up till this moment, you haven't left this chair. Are you okay?
I look okay. I look okay. Eh? It's not your friend. It's not your friend.
Amobi.
He wants a black girl. Every day. He's leaving me here, following all the black girls in this village. He doesn't love me. He doesn't love me. He don't want to marry me. I sitting here since under the sun to know if I will brag. Bragging, I can't brag. Eh? That's why I stay here and waiting for the morning to come in. So I brag. Or even if it's the iggy.
Hey, Amobi does. But wait, is this how you think? That the moon and the sun will darken you?
So what's laughing you?
Nothing, sorry. Don't worry, I'm sorry. You know what? You see all these girls Amobi is going around with in this village. He won't marry any of them. He will not marry anybody. It is you he will get married to. And I will make that happen.
Here. Femi. Here. Since when are you beginning to like me?
Well, let me say, since I discovered you loved him so much. I mean, imagine the pains you took coming into this village with me. I assure you he will marry you. I'll make it happen.
Femi, Nge, you will help me.
I'll help you.
Yeah. Oh, Mansa, Adawago, Mansa.
Can you at least go in now and take some rest? You've been here all day.
Don't worry. Yeah? Don't worry. Go inside and sleep. I'm waiting for the Igrigi to foreign on me, oh.
I'm going to be right now.
What's laughing here? What's laughing here? Here. Oh, Chico.
Urima.
Femi.
Yeah?
You're welcome. Let me get you.
No, don't worry. Is Amobi here?
No, he's not here.
He told me he was coming to see you.
No, he's not here. Why?
His wife, Obiadulu, is very sick and she needs his attention.
His wife?
Oh, sorry, I wasn't meant to say this to you.
No, you said he...
No, I didn't say anything, Rima, please. I don't want Amobi to hear this and I get myself into trouble.
Rima, my sister, why are you like this? What is wrong with
you? If only tears could express how betrayed I feel, I would have cried a river.
May the gods forbid it. Urima, You do not deserve a married man for a husband. Okay? I mean, look at how handsome this guy is. And yet, his heart is as ugly like that of a devil. And you sit here to tell me what?
Ego, don't say that.
Oh.
What if it's not true?
You sit here and tell me what if it's not true? Rima, this lady confirmed it herself. And the so-called Femi said it out of his own carelessness. And you sit here to tell me what if it's not true?
I don't know. But something in me tells me not to believe it.
God. Rima, listen to me. You're my sister. Rima, you're my blood. You do not deserve a married man for a husband. Rima, you deserve your own. A man that will love you. Please.
Femi, for 4 days now. 4 whole days I've not heard from her. I'm starting to think she's avoiding me.
Amobi, if I must tell you the truth, listen to me. This whole thing, this whole pranks you're playing and everything, she knows everything. This is in vain. There's no point.
Why do you say so?
What do you mean? You think she's daft? She knows everything about you. She knows you're a prince. She knows you're just pretending.
Shh. Femi, it's not true. There is no way. It's not possible. You know how long it took you to find this place? This place is a remote village. There is no way that lady will know who I am.
A goldfish has no hiding place. Know it.
See, Femi, I say no. What I have with that lady is genuine. What I have with her is real, true. Okay, I will not stay here and watch you say bad things about her, about what I have with her. No.
You open your eyes. If it's genuine, why would she go to Obiajulu and want her to stay away from you?
Rima will never do such a thing. Yes.
Okay. Let me keep my big mouth shut and mind my business. Okay.
Femi, what is going on?
I should be asking you that question. Amobi, what are we doing here? You have so many files, contracts pending on your table waiting for you, and we are here in the bush in some remote village pretending to be farmers? What is going on? Let's go back. Obiajulu, your fiancé, it's waiting for you.
And when did you start calling Obiajulu my fiancé?
Since the day I realized she loved you so much to trace you all the way to this village.
Femi. Femi. Is this you talking?
We just have to face reality someday. Ini. Doing famine. Look at yourself. Familiar job.
Where is Ego? Where has she been?
I'm sure she's at the playground where the music is coming from.
Are you sure she has not gone to shoot another man die? Bless her.
Where she is? Where she is? Where? Husband snatching.
What do you want? What have you come to do in my father's compound?
Urima or whatever they are calling you. Please, staying away from my husband.
Did you come to warn me? You came to my father's compound to warn you.
I warning you. I warning you. You village ashewo. You hearing me? But I warning you. Next time I see you close to my husband again, I will kill you. You hearing me? I warning you. Staying away from my husband. You hearing me?
You just touch me with those filthy ape hands of yours. I will rebrand you. I will give your teeth a rebranding. You came to my father's compound to warn me. You are worrying me, oh. Bye.
Hi, you are Rocky. You are Rocky. Rocky, those hands didn't touch me. You are Rocky, oh. You are Rocky. Look at her.
What will you do?
The red Ashewo.
What will you do?
Eh? I warning you. The next time I see you close to my husband again, I will kill you. You hear me? You hearing me?
Urima, stop! Stop! Urima, stop! Come here! You can't
warn me.
Hi!
You will kill somebody.
You can't leave her.
Hey! Go.
Hi!
Go.
Hey! You are in trouble! You are in trouble! You are dying!
Urima! You want to kill somebody? Who is she?
Tell Amobi word for word every single thing Rima told you when she came here to beat you up.
She come in here and she began to hit me and she said she must marry my place and she's ready to kill anybody that's standing by her way.
You mean she said that? She knows I'm a prince.
Yes, yes, she knows. She hitting me. Look at my face. Look the damage she has causing on my face. Eh? She hit me. I taken the whole bro because of you, my place. I didn't raise my hand at all. Oh. I didn't raise my hand when she was doing it because I didn't want my police to get angry.
That girl must be heartless. If she could do such a thing, she's...
Where are you going?
Going to her house.
Bubi, it is late now, eh? Leave it tomorrow.
That girl is wicked.
Whoa?
My place, you looking it? Look, are you looking?
Solid.
All because of rough.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Rima, did you actually do it? Did you beat her up?
Yes, I did. Oh, you've come to fight me because of your wife? How shameless!
Rima, you're now calling me names. Rima, you!
Amobi, leave my father's compound now, before I beat you up like I beat your wife.
You beat me up, me? Rima, I never expected this from you. I mean, anyone else, but not you. I mean, here I was thinking that your heart would be as beautiful as your looks. How wrong I was.
Amobi, just go. Just get out of our house and never come back. Go, I hate you. I don't want to see you again. Just go. I hate you.
Rima,
just go.
What is going on here? Rima, what is going on here?
Rima, do you really want me to go? Huh? No, tell me, do you really want me to go? Look me in the eye and tell me you want me to go.
Amobi, go. Go, you may just go. Amobi, go. I hate you. Just go. Go. Let me go.
All right. I promise you. By this time tomorrow, I will be out of your sight, out of this village, and out of your life. I'll be gone.
Just go. Abubi, go, I hate you. Go. Let him go. I hate him.
Rima, please. Please, I beg you. Forget about him. Please, be cool.
Just go.
Everyone of you, get into the house now. Get into the house now.
This is why I said you should be very careful.
Having something to do with a married man is very abominable. See where your blindness has gotten you to.
Papa, why are you talking like this? I mean, how was she supposed to know?
Well, I have nothing to say until tomorrow morning.
And you? Why were you staring into space without you saying anything?
Because this is the first time I'm doubting myself.
How do you mean?
Have you ever been in this conflict before? Choosing between what you know and what you feel? It's just so hard.
Rima, listen to me. You know what I expect you to feel right now for Abubi? It's pain and hatred and not this.
Pain?
Yes.
Yes, I am angry. I'm angry. But hatred? I don't see it coming.
And where are you going to?
I want to go and sleep. I just want to go and sleep to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
God. What is wrong with my sister? The only man she has found favor in his sight. And now this. Please, God. Help her out.
King of Kings, may let me praise.
How did you perform this feat?
Well, I realized that Femi's friend was a weak and shallow vessel. I penetrated him with one of my agents, and he has caused so much disaffection that the prince has decided to leave this day for his fatherland.
What a great news indeed.
Immediately gets here, I will bond him forever with Obiajunu in such a way that he will love her with his life. Meanwhile, in few hours' time, the calabash will be empty. You will rule forever.
Urima, are you out of your senses? That you are going to say goodbye to a married man? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Let me tell you, if you leave this compound this afternoon, I will so much beat you, I make sure I beat you and leave an indelible mark upon your body. To remind you that at the age of 22, you are still a child.
I can feel it, Papa. I know it. I know there is something wrong somewhere. I need to just find out to know that I am not making a mistake. I need to just be sure that I am not making a mistake.
What are you talking about?
Papa, I need to confirm this. I'll be back, Papa.
Urima, will you come back here? Urima! Mama, have you seen how stupid and stubborn your friend's sister is? How? This girl wants to put shame on me, eh?
Papa, just go inside and rest. You know you don't have strength for Rima's trouble. And you know Ego is not around. Just go inside.
Oh my God.
Who are you? Where I'm going to is none of your business. Clear my road so I don't miss them.
Do not be afraid, my daughter. Pack a handful of sand and throw at it. What you behold can only be subdued by a natural force. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.
Please don't do this to yourself and the future of our land.
Listen to me, Anyachi. Listen to me. I've had enough of your supernatural nonsense. It's time to get real. If you dare stop Amobi from living here, I will strangle you with my bare hands.
Agent of Marakuta, you don't get angry over a battle you've lost.
I don't have time for this now. Amobi, I know that you let's go.
Anyachi, you can stay as long as you want.
Look, Anyachi, I know you have this thing about what you believe in, but right now I really don't care. My duty in the palace calls. I have to leave right now. Nobody can stop me.
Bam! Not even me. Maybe I can feel it. There's something wrong somewhere.
Me too.
Amobi, cut this crap. Let's get out of this village.
Agents of Marakuta, let them have their moment.
Stop calling me that!
Amobi, Urima, don't let him distract you. Amobi, hold Urima's hands. Just look into her eyes.
Look at this blind girl. My police eye. I know you are blind, but I hope you are remembering that I standing here.
Obiajulo, stay away from this. Amobi is not yours.
My king, what is happening?
Your son and the girl are so stubborn that they are bonded.
You can't kill me, not now. But please do something.
The only thing left to be done is to kill Amobi and empty the calabash.
Kill him. No! Amobi! No!
Stop it! My baby! Stop it! Somebody help me now! My police! Oh, my police!
You are the only one who can do something about this. The power of the tears of blood conquers everything. Shed those tears. Let it flow. Let your anger flow. Let the tears radiate the purity of your heart. Just let it flow. Let those tears flow. You can't leave me now. You cannot leave me now. Please.
Your son is dead, and the calabash is now empty. You cannot rule your kingdom as long as you wish.
Amobi.
Amobi, just come.
My belly. My belly.
Amobi.
Hey.
What happened? Amobi.
My belly is Adeliga. My belly is Adeliga. My belly is Adeliga. Hey.
What happened?
Hey.
Rakuta, what's happening? I thought you said he's dead.
Something must be wrong somewhere.
It's getting filled up again.
Do something.
Please do something.
That's what you are, so wonderful, so beautiful.
You are all welcome. My in-laws, you're welcome.
Just as you
Thank
are.
you, Your Majesty. My wife, I've missed you so much.
I miss you too, Queen Mother.
Yes, we missed you.
You're welcome, my dear.
Yes, Father, where is everybody?
Your father went for his normal checkup. Femi went to supervise the work at the new construction site. And to talk of everybody, where is Anyachi?
Mother, do you think we were joking when we told you that we found a surgeon who said he can restore Anyachi's sight?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God. Then can I see the doctor?
Of course. I'll call him. He will come see you.
My in-laws are welcome once again.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Please, let me have a chat with my son just for 1 minute.
Thank you.
Come with me.
Papa, what are you staring and looking at like that?
My daughter, when I look at my life, I just can't believe it.
Papa, you have to believe it. We now have royalty in our blood. God, all thanks to my sister. Thank you so much.
My daughter, everything happened so fast. Look at my daughter, happily married. Baba say, cow. Baba say, cow. Thank you, God.
Me, I'm staying back here with Rima. I'm not going back to that village with you.
Who will take care of me? You know I can't take care of myself.
Papa, you can take care of yourself. She has to stay here with me. I need her presence. I need her to keep me company.
I've seen a big, big place.
Well, Papa, you remember when you used to tell me to stop shooting down animals and shoot down a husband?
Yes.
I'm so glad I'm finally able to get one, and I am married. Happily married.
Oh my daughter, I am fulfilled. I'm fulfilled, honestly. Nurse, go into my office. There's a prescription there. Please get it for me. I'll be fast about it, please. Dad. Yes, Your Highness. Are you there? Yes, Your Highness. Go and call Anyachi. Yes, Your Highness. I have a confession to make. I'll just say, Your Highness.
Doctor, when is our operation?
I've invited another surgeon to come in to assist me so we can put in our best experience.
Okay, sir.
Son, I'm so happy. Despite the fact that your father is in the hospital, peace has finally returned to this home.
Oh yes, I agree with you, Mother. In fact, my wife, Femi, and I will be going to see him in the hospital later today.
That would be nice. Welcome to my home.
Thank you, Queen Mother.
You're welcome.
Yes, that reminds me. Mother, when did you say Anyachi's eye surgery will be taking place?
That should be tomorrow and next.
That would be nice. I can't wait to see her regain her sight. She's such a guardian angel.
She is blessed with so many talents.
Let's toast to this drink.
To family.
Family.
God, this is Your Highness. Did you find her? Yes, she's here, Your Highness.
I left my daughter. I have a confession to make. That's doing the prophecy. Who said if I allow you to live with the parents, you lead to my doom. Because I want them all to live here, I decided to react by fulfilling that prophecy. Which was to kill their parents. First I killed them.
His Royal Majesty settled to bring her to the palace now.
What is it?
Your daughter. His Royal Majesty settled to bring her to the palace now.
I'm sorry. I'm external forces. Yes. I'm indeed very sorry. Let's pray, hope you have found a place in your heart to forgive me. Forgive me.
Your Highness.
My king.
Your Highness.
Doctor. My king. My king. Tell me why you're get the doctor!
Ayachi.
You're my prince.
Ayachi.
My queen.
So you can now see?
I can see.
Oh, thank God.
Riva.
Unexplainable. I wish my husband was here to see you. So you can now see.
My queen, I can see you.
Thank God. Thank God. Oh, God.
Rima, you are just as beautiful and natural as my prince has always wanted.
Thank you, Ayachi. And you are so beautiful and talented.
Ah, thank God. I wish my husband was here.
Ayachi, what is it?
What is it, Ayachi? Ayachi, why are you sad?
My queen.
Yes?
The lion of Ogidi Kingdom is dead.